Hi friends, welcome to G Prashant YouTube channel. Good morning everyone. Have a nice day. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 11 Basic Algebra. It is useful for Gurukul and Navodaya like that competitive examinations. Now first quantities. Quantities which can take in different values are called variables. Next point, variables are denoted oblique represented by English alphabets. Example, variable x, variable y, variable z, variable a, variable b, variable c, like this. Next point, quantities whose values remains same or unchanged or unchanged are called constants are called constants. For example, 5 is a constant, minus 7 by 2 is also a constant, 7 is also a constant, minus 1 by 2 is also a constant, so on, etc. Now, in algebraic term, or a monomial or are constant or are a product of both. For example, 5 is a constant, minus x is a variable, and 5xy here is a constant. These two are a variables. That is called a in a algebraic term. Next point, the algebraic sum of variables or are some constants or are both is called an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. For example, 2x plus 3y minus 5 is an algebraic expression. Next point, an algebraic expression having a single term is called a monomial. Sorry. Next, an algebraic expression having two terms is a binomial. 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 Next, special products. A plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So see here, a plus b whole square means first start with a, highest power of a with this, and next plus, now decrease this power, that becomes a, next is a power 1 here, next plus, a plus only, now here a power 0. Now write the term b square from right to left, starts from b square, next it becomes b power 1, after that it becomes b power 0. Remember, a power 0 value is 1 and b power 0 value is also 1. That becomes, now a square into 1 plus, put here 2, then 2 a b plus a power value is also 1 into b square. Now it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. Understand, all of you, like this. Now a minus b whole square, that means a square plus a square minus, alternate plus and minus, minus 2ab, next plus b square. This is the formula for a minus b whole square. Now a plus b into a minus b becomes a square minus b square only. Now see the proof. See here, I am splitting this a with this, a into a minus b, next which symbol is there here, plus, after that what is the term is b with this, b bracket of a minus b. Now a into a means a square, a into b means ab, but what is the symbol here, minus, so minus ab. Next put plus as it is, b into a means ab, next b into b square, what is the symbol is here, minus, put minus, so b square. Now plus ab minus ab cancel, minus ab plus ab cancel, what remains, a square minus b square. Got it? So like this. Zero of polynomial. Zero of polynomial. Suppose 2x minus 8 is given. Find the zeros of polynomial means take this equation 1, Equating with 0 from equation 1, 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. Send this 8 from left side to right side. On left side it is a negative value, it goes from right side, it becomes positive. Then 2x is equals to 8. Then 2x is equals to 8 can be written as 2 4s are 8. 2 on both sides cancels. Then it becomes x equals to 4. We got it. Now using this value of x in this equation 2, I am creating equation 2. Now what we get, that means 2 in the place of x we can write, in the place of x we can substitute the value of x, that means 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. See here, 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 8 is 0, so it becomes 0. So that's why x equals to 4 is a 0 of a polynomial, that means 2x minus 8 is a polynomial. So x equal to 4 is a zeros of a polynomial of the given equation, that is the 2x minus 8, isn't it? Like this. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe it. Click on bell icon for regular updates. I did any mistake in this video, please apologize me. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all who are supporting to me.